Welcome to another video on integration by substitution. In the last video we solved this guy right here, and the link is in the description below. And in this video we are going to be integrating this guy. So we are going to learn how to integrate a problem that looks like this: 8x divided by 3 plus 2x raised to power 4 dx, that is with respect to x. Okay, now where do we start from? Let's all start by understanding that whenever we have a function, let's say this, I'm going to bring out 3 plus 2x. This is a function, right? And 3 plus 2x to the power 4, this is another function. So I'm going to say that 3 plus 2x is my inner function, and 3 plus 2x raised to power 4 is my outer function. So whenever we are substituting, it is always best to substitute the inner function with a new variable. Okay, so we're going to say let 3 plus 2x, or let u replace 3 plus 2x. So we're going to substitute this guy with u. And our aim is that we want to simplify this guy for us to easily integrate it. Okay, so when we substitute u into what we have here, we're going to have integral 8x divided by u raised to power 4 dx. But this becomes a problem given that we have different variables. We have u, we have x, right? But we just want to have everything in terms of u, so we can easily simplify it and we can easily integrate it. Okay, so we're going to come back here and differentiate u with respect to x. So du dx is going to be equal to, when you differentiate 3 you have 0, when you differentiate 2x you have 2. Alright, and then we're going to make dx the subject in this place here. So du is equal to 2x, so dx is going to be equal to du over 2. Alright, that makes sense, right? Now you're going to replace dx with du over 2, and this becomes integral 8x over u raised to power 4 du over 2. But we still have a problem, right? We have x, we have u, and we want everything to be u. So we're going to come back here as well, and we're going to make x the subject. We want to replace this x completely. Okay, so when we make x the subject, we're going to have carry 3 to the other side, u minus 3 equals to 2x, so x equals to u minus 3 over 2. Okay, so we're going to come back here and say this is equal to the integral of 8 into brackets u minus 3 over 2 divided by u raised to power 4 du over 2. Now we have successfully substituted the variable x with the variable u. Now our integral is in terms of u, right? So when we simplify, now let's simplify, you see that it becomes easier to integrate. So 8 divided by 2 is 4, so 4 into brackets u minus 3, right, divided by u raised to power 4. Let's bring out 1 over 2, right? This 2 right here, we'll write it out as 1 over 2, then with respect to u. Okay, we need more space. So from here, let's bring out 4. So we can just divide this, and we're going to have 2 integral u minus 3 divided by u raised to power 4 with respect to u. Now this can be written as 2 integral u minus 3 multiplied by u raised to power minus 4, right, with respect to u. And this becomes 2 integral u to the power 1 minus 4, right? This guy multiplied by this guy. We have to remember our laws of indices, right? So that's how we have u to the power 1 minus 4, and then minus 3 u to the power minus 4. Just this guy, 3 multiplied by u to the power minus 4. And then this is all with respect to u, right? So moving forward, we can say this is equal to 2 integral u raised to the power minus 3 minus 3u raised to the power minus 4, right, du. Now we can easily integrate these guys, so we can say this is equal to 2 into brackets, to integrate u raised to the power minus 3, we add 1 to the power divided by the new power, so u raised to the power minus 3 plus 1, right, divided by the new power minus 3 plus 1 minus 3 u raised to the power minus 4 plus 1 divided by minus 4 plus 1, right, plus c, and that is equal to 2 into brackets u raised to the power, what is minus 3 plus 1, that is minus 2, divided by minus 2 minus 3 u raised to the power minus 3 divided by minus 3, right, plus c, and then that is equal to, when we multiply this guy by 2, we're going to have minus u raised to the power minus 2, and then here as well, this cancels this guy, and then minus minus becomes plus, then multiply this guy as well by 2, we're going to have plus 2u raised to the power minus 3 plus c. Alright, now we have to remember that we said that our inner function is replaced with u, so we're going to come back. Yes, u is equal to 3 plus 2x, right, from the beginning when we started solving. So we're going to come back here and replace this guy, so this integration becomes minus, we're going to replace u with 3 plus 2x now, minus 3 plus 2x raised to the power minus 2 plus 2 into bracket 3 plus 2x raised to the power minus 3 minus 3 plus c, and this is the answer to the question. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.